Hi all! This is video number 1 in a set of videos that I'll be sending you that will help you do some tasks that we need to do with our Teams page. So the first thing I want to show you, if you haven't done it already, is how to download Teams to your desktop so that it will auto-launch when you bring that up. And then you'll have it there throughout the day and will be notified if there's a conversation or things that you need to do. So the first thing you want to do, go to is your Office 365 account. Once you're there, across the top or in your little waffle in the top corner, you will see the Teams logo, the little button. Go ahead and click Teams and let it load. It will take a minute to do what it needs to do, check your credentials, things like that, and it will load Microsoft Teams. Once it has loaded, you will notice in the top right-hand corner, mine's not there because I've already downloaded it to mine. It will simply say download. Go ahead and click that button, download it to your desktop. It'll take 2-3 minutes to do what it needs to do. And then the next time you log into the computer, it will automatically auto-launch so that you'll be able to see our Teams page and be able to get to the information there. So if you will, again, go to your Microsoft account, click on Teams, let it do its magic and initialize it. And in the top right-hand corner, if it's not already downloaded to your desktop, you will see over in this little corner a button that says download. Go ahead and press the download button, let it run its download, let it bring it up on your computer, and you're good to go. That's step 1. So when you get a minute, if you'll make sure you've done that, I'll be sending out video number 2 to show you what to do next. Thanks.